Hello everyone, welcome to my Freedom Friday. I'm Lynette Barnard, an independent contractor using the Dewpoint Wealth Creation System. The FSP number is 50318 to build sustainable recurring income, and the host of this weekly sessions where we talk about real financial freedom. Today's topic is one that hits close to home for so many South Africans: the real price of job security and how it actually keeps you broke. Have you ever stopped to think about how secure your job really is? Many of us believe that as long as we have a steady paycheck, we are safe. But I've learned the hard way that job security is often an illusion, and that illusion can cost you peace of mind and even your future. You see, we have been taught from a young age that the safest path in your life is to get a good education, find a job, and work hard until retirement. But here's the question: is your job really secure, or is it quietly keeping you stuck? Stay with me for the next 25 minutes because I'm going to show you how salary dependency limits your potential and how building your own distribution channel can set you free financially. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Lynette Barnard from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. For the 9.5 years, I'm helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals build recurring income online without selling a thing. I show people how to create financial freedom using a hybrid financial platform so they can live debt-free, stress-free, and on their own terms. Type freedom if you're watching live, or replay if you're catching this later. I'd love to welcome you. And a special welcome to Belinda. As always, she's here. And Peter and Cheryl, all those watching live. Welcome. I trust that you will enjoy the time with me and get some insightful tips and information that can help you make better decisions. But let's start with the big illusion: job security. For years, people believed that if you had a stable job with benefits, a pension fund, and medical aid, you were safe. But we've seen companies downsize, retrench, merge, or close, even major corporations that you never thought would go down. The truth is, you don't own your income when it is tied to a job. Your salary depends on someone else's decision, the economy, or even technology replacing your role. Ask yourself, if your boss told you tomorrow, "I can't pay you at the end of the month," how long could you survive? For most people, it's 30 to 60 days. That's not job security. That's income dependency. And this kind of dependency, where your entire income relies on a job, is exactly why so many people stay trapped. Month after month, they keep trading time for money, believing that the next raise or promotion will finally change their situation. But here's what usually happens. When a bit of extra money comes in, lifestyle inflation quietly takes over, and I talked last week about lifestyle inflation. Instead of creating real financial security, most people simply start spending more. A newer car, a fancier phone, a bigger house, or that long overdue holiday. We convince ourselves that we deserve it. And of course, we do work hard. But the problem is that every time your income increases, our expenses rise alongside it. The gap between what we earn and what we keep never really changes. So if you get more money, your expenses also rise. So even though we appear to be doing better, we are often just running faster on the same treadmill. Working harder, earning more, but still not building anything that lasts. That's the silent trap of salary dependency. It gives the illusion of progress while quietly keeping you in the same financial cycle year after year. True financial growth doesn't come from earning more. It comes from owning something that continues to pay you even when you stop working. That's where financial freedom begins. But here's the real cost of job security. Your time. 8 to 10 hours a day building someone else's dream. Your freedom. Needing permission to go on holiday or attend a family event. Your potential. Limited by job titles and salary scales. Your peace of mind. Constantly worrying about retrenchment or rising expenses. Many people are living month to month, even after decades of working hard. I know, because I've been there. I spent years thinking a paycheck was enough, until I realized I had no control. When my husband and I were retrenched in 1997 and 1998, I came face to face with a reality I never thought would touch our lives. I didn't even know what the word retrenchment meant back then. And in any case, it was something that happened to other people, not to us. We had always believed that you worked hard, stayed loyal, and gave your best. Your job would take care of you. But then, almost overnight, the illusion of job security scattered completely. Two steady incomes that we had relied on for years were suddenly gone, and with them the comfort, stability, and confidence we had carefully built for our family. For a moment, I felt like the ground had disappeared beneath our feet. The timing was bittersweet. Both our children were out of university, thankfully, and we had been just beginning to focus on the next 15 years to build a comfortable retirement. We thought we were in a safe place. Yes, yet everything changed in an instant. That's when I truly realized how fragile the so-called security of a job really is. No matter how loyal, hardworking, or committed you are, the system can change your life in a heartbeat, and often without warning. It was a harsh awakening, but also the moment that sparked a deep determination in me to find a way to create security that belongs to me, one that no one could take away from me. What I didn't know at the time was that the answer to my prayers was already in my hands. I had actually started my so-called networking career back in 1997, even before the retrenchments happened. But then, we were introducing people to financial products like short-term insurance, medical aid subscriptions, cell phone contracts, and a few other services. And yes, we made some money. I did that for 19 years. I remember seeing people who had built millions through that system. And I always thought, wow, they must be totally committed to this. They were the top earners, the ones who devoted all their time and energy to building their networks. And I used to tell myself, I have a life. I can't spend all my time chasing income here. I have other things to take care of. how wrong I was. All the time, I only saw it as a way to earn a little extra money, a nice supplement to what we already had. I mean, we both had steady jobs and the security that came with them, so I thought I will do it on the side. For years, I treated it like a hobby, something fun to do in my spare time, never realizing the true power of the system I already had at my fingertips. I saw it as an extra income, not a tool to build a lasting recurring income stream, one that could genuinely give me financial freedom and independence and change the trajectory of my future. Then in 2016, everything changed. DuPont relaunched, upgrading the system with cutting-edge technology that allowed wealth engineers, that's how DuPont's clients are called, to build reliable income without actively selling financial products. Suddenly, the system wasn't just a side hustle, it became a platform for true financial freedom, one that could grow as your channel grew. And what I absolutely love is that it's fully online. I had tried online systems before with another company, but unsuccessfully. The technology just wasn't there to produce real results. Now, everything I needed is included in a single streamlined online system, and my only cost is my monthly product fee. It's crazy, but it's working. It's honestly mind-blowing how much easier and more effective it is. This simple shift in technology completely changed the landscape for me, making it possible to build a reliable recurring income in a way that just wasn't possible before. And the moment it really hit me, it was 17 July 2017. I watched Patrick and Pumi drive away with their free 250,000 rand car, and it struck me like lightning. There was no difference between us. We had the same 24 hours, the same system, the same tools, and the same opportunity. The only real difference was that they were talking to more people than I was. That was my wake-up call. I made a promise to myself, the next car will be mine. And guess what? That's exactly what happened. The second car is mine. I received it in 2019, and I'm still proud of it. The only thing I changed was my level of activity. I started sharing information more consistently, reaching more people, and building my distribution channel with focus and determination. And I'm using social media, which is, in my view, the best and perfect medium to use to promote your own business for free. That simple shift transformed everything. My breakthrough came when I understood that real security doesn't come from a job, it comes from ownership. When you own your own distribution channel, no boss can fire you, no company can retrench you, and your income continues to flow even if you take a break. You are creating an income-generating asset that belongs entirely to you, an asset that grows over time and remains in your hands forever. Even if life interrupts your journey, you can always return and pick up exactly where you left off. You decide how big and how fast you want to grow. This is the kind of security and freedom that a job can never provide. But let's compare the two systems. Salary dependency means you earn money only when you work. You stop working, your income stops. Building a distribution channel like what we do at DuPont means you create an asset that keeps paying you month after month. For me, it's now 115 months in a row. Next week, it will be 116 months, even when you are not actively working. Here's how the Dew Point system works in simple, practical terms. You start by sharing information about this unique income building system. Everyone who decides to participate is called wealth engineers. That's how Dew Point identifies its clients within the system. Each wealth engineer chooses one or more financial products from some of South Africa's most trusted names, companies like Santam, Sanlam, Bright, Old Mutual, and others. These are well-known, credible institutions with products people already understand and use. You really have a choice. You can continue to use products from the same companies that cost you money every month, or you can choose a different path. Use a system that actually makes you money, generating income that grows over time and puts you in control of your financial future. It's the difference between being a consumer of products you need and being a creator of income using products that you need. One path keeps you dependent and tied to your paycheck. The others allow you to build something that works for you even while you sleep. Every decision you make, every product you choose, is either taking you closer to your freedom or keeping you trapped in the same cycle. The choice is yours. Dew Point, the FSP number is 50318, acts as the link between the consumer and the product provider. They handle all the product administration, collections, and payments. Dew Point simply receives the marketing costs from the service providers and then pays that back to all the qualified wealth engineers every month for creating leads for them. That means you're not selling anything. You're simply sharing information that helps others access quality financial products. As people take out products and keep them active, you earn a recurring lead fee, currently 55 Rand per product per month. And here's where the power lies. As your distribution channel grows, so does your recurring income. Whether you're asleep, on holiday, or spending time with your family, those products remain active and your income continues to flow. The difference couldn't be clearer. Your job pays you once for the hours you worked. Your Dew Point channel pays you again and again for the assets you have built. You're not chasing another paycheck. You are building an income stream that keeps growing with time, effort, and consistency. You're building something that belongs entirely to you, an income-generating asset that grows with time, effort, and consistency. And here's what's happened so extraordinary about it. Even if life happens and you need to pause for a while, your asset doesn't disappear. You can always come back and pick up exactly where you left and continue building from there. Your hard work, your relationships, your income, all of it remains in place. This is not just an opportunity, it's ownership in perpetuity. An asset that belongs to you and your family forever. Something that can grow, protect, and even can be passed on to the next generation. With a job, someone else decides on your value. With a distribution channel, you decide how big you want to grow and how fast. And that's when I finally found what I had been searching for all along. Not job security, but financial freedom through ownership. In my case, I started from zero, just like you. It took time, effort and consistency. But I went from rank 3 to rank 9 in just 9 months. And today, as a rank 11 wealth engineer, I receive a recurring income that grows every month. I even received a free 250,000 Rand car, and I go on a 5-star family holiday every year because of the recurring income I built. This year, we are going to Seychelles. Isn't that great? In January, I know that my holiday is booked for the end of the year. That's not job security. That's financial freedom. So here's the takeaway. Job security might sound safe, but it's actually keeping millions of people broke. Real freedom comes when you start building something of your own, an income stream that's not tied to your time. If this message speaks to you, I want to personally invite you to take the next step. Attend my daily wealth mastery session on Zoom, Tuesdays to Sundays at 19:30 and Fridays at 1800. Just send me a WhatsApp with the word wealth to 082 783 5661 so that I can send you the link. And it's free. And then join me right here every Friday at 1500 South African time for Freedom Friday, where we dig deeper into real wealth strategies. Next, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Lynette's Wealth Mastery for more content. That's where I share weekly insights, tools and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 trap and build recurring income that gives you freedom. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a session. That way, even if life gets busy, you'll always have access to practical step-by-step guidance on your journey to financial independence. But you can also follow my Facebook page. The handle is at Second2ND Income Stream to stay updated with live sessions, success stories, and practical tips. But let's talk about the super lucky number 7 incentive. How about getting 7,000 Rand cash this week? For 18 weeks, DewPoint is running a 7,000 weekly cash draw from September 25 till January 26. Now, the first winner was Nomsa, next was File, next was Zinle, and last week was Makwena. All of them earned 7,000 Rand for building their businesses. By having your own product paid and registering others who also pay, you could earn multiple increase into this week's draw. So if you join today, pay your product tomorrow and get 1 or 2 or 3 customers or more to join and pay their products before next Tuesday, you will have 1 or 2 or 3 or more increase into the lucky draw. And the same applies to them. The best part, while building entries, you are also building a reliable monthly income stream with free training and free support. WhatsApp Lucky 7 to 082 783 5661 so that I can send you full details. So here's the takeaway. Job security may feel safe, but in reality, it can keep you trapped and broke. True security comes from ownership and recurring income, from building an asset that belongs to you, grow over time, and cannot be taken away. Remember, you don't have to quit your job, but you do need to start building your own channel. The sooner you start, the sooner your income can grow. And that's when financial freedom becomes real. Because the price of staying safe might just be the cost of your freedom. I'm Lynette Badenhorst. Thank you for spending your Friday with me. Thank you for Farouk and Belinda. I'm truly blessed to see you here. Until next time, keep believing, keep building, and keep mastering your wealth. Bye for now. Hi, Peter.